Welcome to our King of Casino YouTube channel. We review and showcase the most rewarding slot games for you. If you want to experience the slot games we've reviewed, you can sign up through the links provided in the video description and comments section. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like the video and follow us on our social media accounts. Enjoy your watching and have a great time. In this video, we took a closer look at the slot game called Floating Dragon, Dragon Boat Festival, which is the newest addition to the Floating Dragon slot game series. The game was released by Pragmatic Play in June 2023. The slot has a 96.07% return to player rate and offers a maximum win rate of 10,000 times the bet. If we examine the gameplay mechanics, the slot is set on a game grid consisting of 5 reels and 3 rows. The way to access winnings is to achieve one of the 10 different active payline combinations. The game is classified as high volatility. Floating Dragon, Dragon Boat Festival seems to have made its way to the top of the most preferred list, thanks to its bonus modes. One of our unique bonus modes is called Hold and Spin. This bonus mode is activated when at least 3 money symbols land on the reels, and it starts with 3 res pins. Each money symbol that lands on the reels resets the res pin count back to 3. By collecting symbols with monetary value that land on the reels during these rounds, you can achieve significant winnings. Our second bonus mode is the familiar free spin bonus. If at least 3 scatter symbols land on the reels, you can be awarded up to 20 free spin rounds in a single go. It's worth mentioning that with the option to buy, offered by Pragmatic Play, you can also access these bonus modes. This allows you to start directly with the bonus modes without dealing with regular spins. that's a wrap for our review. You can find the games we checked out by clicking the links in the comments section below the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment. Good luck and enjoy!